think I want to test some potential tricky cases here. So if we take our row 4, let's do some tests. So we'll go up here, we'll go to our populates, right? So we have a way of populating stacks here. So let's see. Yeah. So the idea here, I'm going to take off our, I want our debugging on and our instructions off for this part at least. Okay, so look, if we try to pick up a stone, we try to pick up a stack and lock in more stones than can fit on a given occupant next to us, it doesn't render as a legal move. But if it's under 14, it'll allow us to dump into there. Okay, so what is this scenario?
Oh no!
My DVD write just failed. I'm a little stumped on what to do or what to test. I don't know why that happens, but let's see. So here I want to see if I can in 4.4 I want to have 12. And then right beneath 4.4 at, no, actually, let me say 3.3. Gets 12, and the one right beneath us, we can actually have a 14 stack. So we're gonna say that our middle one is a full stack, and the one right beneath it is almost full stack. So it can only hold one piece. That looks like a 12. That looks like a 13. Okay. So it's our turn, and we go to move this, but we only lock in one stone. We can move in any direction because that one stone can fit anywhere. But if we try it again and pick up two stones, we'll see that it won't allow us. Wait a second. Oh, this is 12. So yeah, it won't let us go here because we locked in too many stones, but everywhere else it would allow us to move if we wanted to. But like if this is blocked down here and we lock in 2, we could move here, but then look, if we try to lock in only dropping 1, since the next object is a blocked move, it's going to force us to place all of them before we lock that in. So that's looking right. Now the only part that I remember crashing at was something to do with a bug we have already fixed, so I'm not exactly sure how much testing we should do before we assume that this is good to go, because I don't know what else to test. I don't know what else to test. I think I want the drop shadow on our white winds to be a little more X to the left. So let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, this is the drop shadow here. So let's just say that the drop shadow gets moved twice as much as we used to move it. So we add 3. We added 3 to the X here, so why don't we just go ahead and add 3 to all the other X's. Looking for white. is a bit more legible. I don't like this -4. I don't like all these awful numbers here. -14 plus 6 would be -8. Is that right? That would be +80. -10 plus 6 would be -4. This would be +66. 69. -14 plus 3 would be -11. Plus 3 would be minus. Okay, -4 plus 6 would be a +2. So we could go ahead and just say +2. 77 plus 3 would be 80 plus 80. -10 plus 6 would be -4. This would be 69. -4 plus 3 would be -1. Then -10 plus 3 would be -7. Let's see. We want to see black wind and white wind. That looks, oops, not what I wanted. Okay. Okay. We hardly did anything today. All we really did was test a couple of tester stacks. And then that's really all we did. all we did was really modify the drop shadow of our winning state. I'm gonna say yeah. I don't have a ton of energy today. Not feeling so good. Told myself I'd do 5 minutes of programming. So here we are. We get pushed already, so the last thing I want to do is kind of take a look at our notes here, which is right here. Okay, well, we're in the home stretch. We've got to randomize our loot songs next, and then worry about our first player places. On your first move, you place the other player's stone. So that's the last bit of functionality we need. If we want to do that, or I might just have it, because that's a little confusing to print up whose turn it is and whose color they are. So maybe we'll just print for the very first 2 moves we print. Place your opponent's colored stone. Maybe we do something like that. So we don't have to actually do anything in programming wise, because I just feel like it's going to get messy, because it's going to be like, there's white, there's person playing white, person playing black, and the person playing white plays black very first. I think that's a little confusing. So I think I'm just going to leave it out and kind of just say place opponent's stone, and then once those 2 are placed, then it's normal moves. I think that's how I'm going to do it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and we'll get more than what we got done today done. But yeah, we're coming up on being done with it. Just those last few tweaks, and then we can actually try to play it, and then it doesn't crash on us, and we don't have to debug too much more.